What's that?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Lucchetto. Come on, go in. Go in, go in.
Another happy birthday! And another happy birthday!
Oh, yeah. Wait, Matteo, wait. Good, Matteo. There we go.
Another happy birthday!
I know. What can you see?
I can see
What can
presents.
you see, Liv there? Look. Look. What can you
This
see?
has been my green balloon. I need balloon.
Look what's there. Is that a big present for you there? Should we open some of the presents now for you?
I can open this together.
Matteo can bring you your presents and you can open them. Do you like that? Yeah? Go on then.
My
Do
present.
you want to open that one first?
Yeah.
Go on then. Let's get the cards. Card.
Look at this one for me.
What's this? Playmobil.
Hey. Oh, that's fun.
And some socks.
Oh, he's fell off. That's very good.
And my other socks are dirty.
Yeah, these are clean socks,
Mama,
aren't
look at
they?
that.
And do you know